Have you ever had the strong desire to do hard labor? Do you lack the satisfaction of accomplishing tasks with your bare hands? Then you need a bare hand sheep farm. Just add water. The bare hand sheep farm, just add water, is just like any other sheep farm, except better. Better for why, you may ask? Better for money.
The average price of the sheep farm equivalent to $9,720 USD.
$9,000?
And now, our bare hand sheep farm just add water kit only costs you a low price of $9,719.67.
That's much more reasonable.
Better for convenience.
And now, our bare hand sheep farm just add water kit fits into any size household.
Better for time.
And now just one word. Insta-sheep.
Why trust us? Just ask LeBron James.
I am
LeBron James.
Before I got a bare hand sheep farm just add water, I was a weakling, like I couldn't even basketball. Now I still can't basketball, but at least I have muscles. I look swell. Everyone should have a bare hand sheep farm just add water. Trust me, I'm
LeBron James.
If LeBron likes it, why not, right?
So, how does a bare hand sheep farm just add water work?
Well, now you see, if you combine the cinder oxide with the zirconium oxide, and it all fuses together to create a chemical compound that usually at least one out of every 7 creates life. Or basically, if you just don't understand what I'm saying, you know, you combine these two powders together and you get sheep.
Alright, and now, to make the bare hand sheep farm just add water, you've got your sheep juice, or water, and your sheep powder.
Call 1-800-BARE-HANDS to get your bare hands sheep farm just add water today. That is 1-800-BARE-HANDS. 1-800-BARE-HANDS. Side effects may cause severe cases of diarrhea, loss of social life, heartburn, foot cancer, brain deterioration, toenail rotting, toe jam, Ebola. Other rare side effects include broken bones, food poisoning, chickenpox, black death, glaucoma, bronchitis, and in super rare cases, death.